Hello everyone. In this video, I want to talk about my COVID-19 experience. Let me give you a brief recap of what was happening with me from last 1 month. That was the reason I could not upload videos regularly also. It started all on 3rd November. It was my daughter's birthday. It was her 6th birthday. So we were very happy celebrating together. Thank God we didn't invite anyone else. We were four of us, me, my mother-in-law, my husband and my daughter. We celebrated it. It was only a month back that he left the quarantine room and was with all of us because it was getting very tedious. It was 6 months and it was not possible in a house to live like that. All of us were getting emotionally frustrated. So we thought, let's leave the quarantine thing and we'll see whatever will happen, we'll face it together. Happened very good, we were very happy. On 4th of November, it was Karwa Chauth. So I had a fast. I was getting that weakness feeling. So I thought it must be due to fast. Again on 5th, I was getting that feeling. I thought I have kept the fast and was doing all the work. So it must be due to this. But my husband also had that weakness feeling. My mother-in-law also had that weakness feeling. Firstly, we thought it is due to the overwork we are doing without maid. But it was not that. My husband just got a feeling that he incubated a patient. It is maybe because of that he has got an exposure. So he was the first person again to get into the quarantine room, and on 6th of November he got tested himself for COVID positive. He got a report on 6th evening and he was COVID positive. That time it clicked to us that all of us may be COVID positive, and immediately we get the test done, and on 7th we were also COVID positive. We are 4 people in the house. Me, my husband, my mother-in-law, she is also 75 years old, and my 6-year-old daughter. All 3 of us were positive. Only my daughter was COVID negative, and it was a major setback for all of us how to protect our daughter from this corona. So she also acted very responsibly. What we did, we just quarantined ourselves in different rooms. Me and my daughter were obviously staying together, but we followed the physical partition rule. This part of the bed belonged to her and this part of the bed belonged to me. Even in the house, what we did in the living area, the sofa portion belonged to her. She was allowed to play there, sit there, eat her food there. We constantly washed our hands. She constantly washed her hands. I kept sanitizing everything every day, mattresses, every common surface we had. And thankfully, she was COVID negative only. I'll talk on 2 aspects. One is the medicinal part, how to increase the immunity, how to increase the stamina, and the second one is the emotional part, what we all were facing at that time. So regarding the medicinal part, we all had all the medicines which the doctor prescribed to us. Apart from taking medicines, we should take these 2 things. We should have a lot of fluids. We constantly used to have warm water, and we almost had 4 liter warm water every day, because warm water flushes out the virus from our body. And the second magical thing which we took was steam. We took 3 to 4 steams every day. We covered the mouth like this and had a steam very properly, because it was only the virus is there in your nasal passage, in your this passage. So with the help of steam, it just get kills because of the high temperature. And steam is also very good for clearing the noses. And if I talk about the symptom part of it, my husband developed fever. He was in fever for 14 days. Me and my mother-in-law didn't have fever. So we were like asymptomatic COVID positive people. We only had slight blocked nose. That is the normal flu symptom. But since we were living with a COVID positive, so that is the reason we got tested and the result was COVID positive. Apart from taking warm fluids, one more magical thing that I will suggest everyone to have it is Kachi Haldi Wala Kada. Kachi haldi along with black pepper, tulsi, ginger and dalchini. This worked magical for my husband. His fever got down, the pain he felt in his chest got down. Actually, kachi haldi or raw turmeric is anti-inflammatory, because of which all this was happening. And it's a magical drink. Plus, obviously it's warm, so it's good. Give us a lot of strength during this time was the soup. We made tomato, pumpkin, bottle gourd, beetroot and carrot soup. We made it early in the morning and had it 2-3 times. It was seriously strengthening, and we always kept the food to be light, like moong dal, khichdi, dalia, masoor dal, chawal, anything you like. And we had a bit of potatoes with it. anything which is light. We should avoid things which can produce gas, like cauliflower or any such things. Keep it light, have fluids, have a lot of food which is light. Don't keep your stomach empty. This helped us to recover the COVID-19 part. Now we are all COVID negative, successfully came out of this. But after going through all of this, I have learned some things while fighting COVID-19. Have a lot of warm fluids, have a light food, be happy. Okay, anything that has happened to us has happened, but it will change. We'll get over it. We always had this thing in mind. And let me tell you one thing very honestly. We chanted months, we chanted Gayatri month. It's a very powerful month which will give you a lot of positivity from inside. Even my daughter chanted this. So we got a lot of positivity from this side. Actually, ultimately, it's God who can save us, and you have to be positive and create a positive aura around you to save ourselves. While being positive, we can fight the situation. There was no point crying. I am so happy sharing the video with you people that I am all fine, got to work again with the same strength. This whole month has been a healing process for me, not only physically but mentally also. Now I'll talk about the emotional part or the mental part. In COVID-19, I realized that family is one thing which is always there with you, and it is only your family that will protect you and will work for you. So if you people will work together, stay positive together, any situation in life can be overcome. So I request all of you to stay protected from COVID-19. Wear mask properly while going out, and if you are COVID-19, make sure that you don't infect anyone there in the society. We did move out, and once we are tested COVID negative, now we people are moving out and feeling so good, seeing the park and everything. I was literally like anything I could not tell. I was just like कि मैं पूरे घर में बंद होके ना मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. We got out, we feel good now, and I am back with work. So I'll be uploading more videos, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Last